so we have the following question. We have a student that throws a Hail Mary during the last play of the Axe game, and they want to know how long does it take for the ball to hit the ground. Now, they gave you this quadratic, and the first thing you guys should always look at is, can I simplify this quadratic to make my life a lot easier? Now, guys, can I look at the coefficients? Look at the numbers. It's a 16, a 20, and a 50. The fact they're all even numbers means that I can reduce each one by 2. And I want to do this, guys, because I want to avoid using as big numbers as possible. So that's going to give me a -8. That's going to give me a 10, and that's going to give me a 25. Now, that's better than using a 50, trust me. Now, what are my A, B, and C? My A is going to be -8. My B is going to be 10. And my C is going to be 25. And now let's use that quadratic formula we've been using over and over. The formula goes like this, guys. It's -b plus or minus the square root of b squared, b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And all you have to do now is simplify. Or I'm sorry, plug in. All you got to do is plug it in. So let's go ahead and start doing that. Well, -b, that would just be -10. -10 plus or minus b squared, that's just going to be 10 squared, minus 4, a is -8, and c is 25. And let's just start doing the math, guys. So we have -10 plus or minus the square root of, well, 10 squared is 100. -4 times -8 is 32. And 32 times 25 is 800, right? And by the way, guys, I did forget the bottom part of the formula, which was 2a, make it 2 times -8. So at the bottom, we just have a -16. So far, so good. So let's keep it going. Let's simplify, guys. We have -10 plus or minus the square root of 900 over -16. Now, grab a calculator, guys. If you put in the square root of 900, that's actually 30. So my two possible answers, guys, is -10 plus 30 over -16, or -10 minus 30 over -16. Well, think about this, guys. If I were to do the simplify here, -10 plus 30, that's 20 over -16, that's -1.25. And then -30 minus 430, that's -40, divided by -16, that's 2.5. Well, guys, are both of them going to be my answers? You gotta ask yourself, guys, what was the question? The question was how long? We're talking about t being seconds. Well, guys, let's use common sense. Can time be negative? No. This is why my only answer is 2.5. So it's going to take 2.5 seconds for the ball to hit the ground. And that's how you do the first one. Now, for the question number 2, what is the maximum height? Well, listen, if you already know the maximum height, well, if you already know it's going to take 2.5 seconds to hit the floor,